What is physics? Physics is the fundamental study of nature, and this particular word has been derived from Greek. The reason why we call it as fundamental study is because when I leave this marker, it is going to fall down. And this particular phenomena has not been invented by any person on earth. It is there in the nature. We are just absorbing the phenomena. Yes? Why are you smiling?
एक्चुअली सर बचपन से चाहता था कि इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में पढूं. आज यहाँ बैठा हूँ, बहुत मजा आ रहा है सर.
That's very good. So can you define a machine?
Sir, a machine is anything that reduces human effort, sir.
Can you elaborate it a little more?
सर, हर वो चीज जो इंसान का काम आसान करे या वक्त बचाए वो मशीन है सर. गर्मी लग रही है, बटन दबाया, हवा चालू, फैन. मीलों दूर आप अपने दोस्त के साथ बात कर सकते हैं, टेलीफोन, मशीन है सर. करोड़ों का हिसाब चुटकी में करता है, कैलकुलेटर, मशीन है सर.
Since you have mentioned something about a ceiling fan, okay, so we'll look closely at the working principle of the ceiling fan.
Yo, chem was hard, but I know physics is hard. So return to attack all the problems online. Let's start with the basics before that fizz gets cray. Number one on the chart, F equals MA. Stuck on the free response? That's not a problem, mate. You get at least a few points, just write it all over the page. Take a mass and let it drop, going all the way down. Hear a slam with the pass if they're wondering how much speed it would have had before it hit the ground. Let me tell you how to figure out velocity now. Gravity, look at that mass with an energetic stare. Started pulling its game at 10 meters a second squared. You held it in your hand at height h in the air. Now multiply with mg. You can do it, don't fear, you got potential, my dear. But all of it is just static. To find the energy and motion, gotta make it kinetic. mv squared over 2, don't you ever forget it. Solve it all out for v, bring on the next unit. You know we ain't about drugs, but since we're running this joint, I think it's time we talked about drag force at this point. When you're used to a vacuum, having air's inefficient, but the formula's simply clean and has a coefficient. Negative kV's your friend and k is a given. Multiply and do the math, then sit back and listen. I'm not finished, this is easy stuff, but give me a minute. Rotation's the topic where all the children start. What is physics? So many moments of inertia, it just makes me want to vomit. They got plenty variations, but share one thing in common, be it a hoop or a cylinder. Confusion? Let me stop and keep it fixed in your mind that mr squared isn't all of them. It might be hard to see momentum that's singular, but put m with rv to get curves from linear data. And if you're having trouble with orbits like many of us, t squared over r cubed. Do careful thoughts and need adjust. That's all for this round. There's plenty more that I missed, but you should learn it in class. Stay in school and don't skip. I don't have all the answers. This is more of a hint, so just Google the solutions. Right click and it prints.
So this is all for your physics class. All the best for your exams.